The island of Sodor is surrounded by beautiful blue sea. It has fields of green and sandy yellow beaches. Thomas enjoys puffing all over the island. But where is Thomas puffing today? Thomas is puffing high into the hills of Sodor. Hello, Thomas. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the narrow gauge railway. Thomas is puffing high into the hills of Sodor. Hello, Thomas. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the narrow gauge railway.
And the road was very icy. "Watch out!" puffed Duncan. "Oh no!" gasped Madge. She braked hard, but it was too late. Madge started to slip and spin around and around. They crashed through a snowbank. "Bust me boiler!" cried Duncan. They were hanging over the edge of the valley. Madge looked down over the edge. It was a long way down. "Oh no!" Duncan moaned. "What am I going to do?" Madge groaned. Madge rocked and teetered. Slowly, she revved her engine. Inch by inch, Madge reversed back onto the road again. "Phew, that was close," Duncan chuffed.